What you are about to learn can 100% change your life. Are you ready? What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for checking out this video. I have a really good one in store for you guys because I'm going to be taking you through step by step and showing you how to build a fitness niche Shopify dropshipping store. Now, as we move through the holiday season and into Q1, people will begin to have their New Year's resolutions, right? And they're all going to want to get in shape, making fitness one of the hottest niches to target in Q1 through the months of January, February, and March. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So once you've signed up for your free Shopify account, you'll land inside of your dashboard. And the first thing that we're going to begin to do is build out the foundation of our store. So we're going to start by adding a payment method to our account. So all you need to do is come down and click Settings, Payments. And Shopify makes it really easy to connect your bank account so that you can get paid. All you need to do is click Activate Shopify Payments. And I also like to add an express checkout payment method like PayPal, and then make it really simple for you to do as well. Just click the Activate PayPal Express Checkout button and follow the very simple instructions. So now the next steps that we're going to go ahead and take is update our shipping settings. So again, go to Settings, and now we're going to come to Shipping and Delivery. Now we're going to click Manage Rates. And we're going to go ahead and just do free shipping on this store for both domestic and worldwide. So we're going to come over here and delete all of the current rates. Now, having free worldwide shipping on your store really helps to increase the conversion rate. You can stagger it and do different paid shipping options. If your supplier can ship out quicker, then that's a great idea to go ahead and have different rates. But for this store and for pretty much all my stores, I just do free worldwide shipping. So free standard shipping, click done, and we'll do the same thing for the rest of the world. Delete these, click add rate, and free standard shipping. Click save. Now that's done, you won't have to worry about any issues with shipping costs. Now we're going to go ahead and update our legal pages. So go over to Settings, come over to Legal, and you don't have to be a lawyer to do this. Shopify makes it really simple to generate these templates. All you need to do is click Create from Template, Create from Template, Create from Template, and I'll go ahead and give you access to the Google Doc that has the shipping policy and all the other pages that we're going to go ahead and create here in a second. So we'll leave that one blank. Now you're going to want to come in here and edit all this information out to be sure that it's accurate. So for example, you don't need this, so you can go ahead and delete that right out, click save, and just go ahead and do that for all three templates. Now we're going to go ahead and start creating some pages like the About, Frequently Asked Questions, Contact, and the Shipping Policy. So come over here, click Online Store and Pages. Now we're going to Add Page. So the first one is just going to be an About page. And I'm giving you access to this Policies page. I'm going to have to update it with an About section for you guys so you can easily plug and play it. But you would copy and paste it right in here. So go ahead and click save. Now we're going to create a frequently asked questions page. And that one I do have available right now. So we'll just go ahead and copy this and paste it in. Click save. Now we'll create the contact page. Contact us. And all you need to do is come over here to template and select page.contact and save. So what this will do is it'll automatically create the template for you. So a customer just needs to go to this menu and fill out the information, and you'll receive the emails to your store's email accounts. You can stay in contact with your customers and answer any questions that they have. And now we're going to go ahead and add a shipping policy page. Again, I give this one to you, so all I need to do is come up here and copy it and paste it in. And the only thing that you'll need to update is the email inside of the copy. And click save. So now we're going to go ahead and update our navigation menus. We'll go ahead and start with our main menu. So the way that I like to structure this, we'll go home, catalog. Eventually we'll go ahead and do this now. Shop. And we'll have it linked to all the products. Then we'll go ahead and link this one to the frequently asked questions page. The next one will be the contact us page. And then we'll do the about section in the main menu. I'll go ahead and click save. And now we can see when we visit the store, we have all the different menu items on top. Now we're going to go ahead and create the footer menu. So we'll again come up here. I like adding the contact us page first. Then I'll do the shipping policy. And now I'll start to add some of those legal pages that we created. So we'll come down here, click policies. We'll start with refund. We'll put that one right after the shipping policy. And now we'll go ahead and add privacy policy. And last but not least, the terms of service. And click save. So now we have our main menu set up. And once we scroll down to the bottom of the page, our footer menu is here with all the links to the different policies. So now the next step is going to be to begin adding a couple apps. And the first one that we're going to need to include is Oberlo. And Oberlo is used to quickly transfer products from AliExpress onto your store. So just go to the Shopify App Store, click Oberlo, and Oberlo is 100% free. Super easy to use. So just click Add App. And we're going to go ahead and add some of the products that I suggest for building out a fitness niche store. And I'm also going to throw in the product that helped me generate almost $20,000 in sales in the month of September. So Oberlo makes it really simple to import products from AliExpress. All you need to do is copy the links and paste them in. And now I'm going to go through the process of cleaning up the details of each product one by one. So I'm going to start by editing the titles, and then I'm going to go and delete the current description because I like to add my own inside of the Shopify app. I just think that it's a much smoother process. Then I'm going to edit the pricing as well as the compared pricing for each item. And then last but not least, I'm going to choose which images from the supplier that I want imported into my Shopify store. So I'm also going to go ahead and give you the product descriptions for each one of these items. I created a Google Doc for you that will be in the description beneath this video. So all you need to do is copy the descriptions and paste them in. So right here we have the Phoenix massage gun. Just come over here, click on the product, and you'll just copy and paste it in right here. And so if we go ahead and take a look at what this page looks like right now, before we've edited our theme, as you can see, we have the product right here, the title, an add to cart button, buy it now, and our product page is built out. So I hope I made that as easy as possible for you guys. Now we're going to go ahead and edit the store. But before we begin customizing the theme of the store, let's go ahead and create a product collection. So just come down to the drop down from products and choose collections and then create collection. Now I'm just going to go ahead and name this best selling. Now scroll down and you're going to want to choose manual. Then click save. And now we're going to come back over to all products, select them all, choose more actions, scroll down, choose add to collections, and then choose best selling. Now you have all of your products in your best selling collection. That easy. And then if you want, you can go ahead and move them around, whichever order you want to show your products. So I'll go resistance bands, massage gun, heavy jump rope, elastic knee pads. Perfect. Now we can go ahead and begin editing the theme of our store. So now we come to online store and then themes. And so I like to use one of Shopify's free themes for my sports niche store. And to do that, we're just going to come over here and choose explore free themes. And I like using the venture theme and the boxing style. So we're just going to go ahead and click add this theme to the library and let it download. And once it has successfully downloaded, just scroll down, choose actions and publish. So now the venture theme is live on the store. And if we want to go ahead and take a little preview, this is kind of how it looks before we go in and customize it. I really like the color pattern and I like a lot of the tile options that this theme gives you. So now let's go ahead and begin customizing the venture theme. Just scroll up and click customize. So now we're going to begin editing the tiles on the left-hand side of the screen over here. So I'm going to leave the header, the slideshow. I'm going to get rid of this collection list. So remove that section. I'm going to change this featured collection list to our best sellers. Right, just like that. I'm going to change the rows to only show products on one row. I'm going to get rid of this image with text and I'm going to replace it with a gallery section like that. Next, I'm going to add a multiple link block section right here. Scroll down again, add another section. We're going to go ahead and create a testimonials block right here. Select. Then we're going to add a newsletter block. Come over here, choose newsletter. This is how people can subscribe to your email list and get discount codes. And then we're going to have the footer. So this is the basic foundation of how I like to set up my fitness stores. So now I'm going to go ahead and create the logo for this store. I like to use Canva, which is a free platform online. And as you can see here, I'm going to copy and paste the color code from my store so that everything is uniform. And I'm just using free elements from within Canva to create this logo. Now I'm going to go to removebg.com to create a transparent background. And then I'm going to resize the logo so that it looks good in the header section of this store. Now I'm going to click save and move on. So now let's scroll down over here and we'll choose show announcement. And I'm going to add an announcement bar. And typically I just do free worldwide shipping. And for the link, I'll go ahead and put our best-selling product collection and click save. And so now you can see right here at the top of the homepage, there'll be this announcement bar that tells everyone that there's free worldwide shipping. So now we'll come back and we'll go to the slideshow. And I like to just do one picture here. So I'll go ahead and get rid of the second image and I'll just go ahead and choose this first one. And to avoid any copyright issues, we can just go ahead and use the free images that Shopify provides us. So let's go check some of them out. Fitness. I think I like this one. Perfect. Now we'll add, what is our store called? YT Fitness. So we'll create a button here. YT Fitness. Button label will say shop now. And again, we'll put our all collection or best selling collection as the link and click save. So now our store is starting to come together a little bit. We have completed our header, we've added our announcement bar and our first slideshow with a button and a link to our product page. Scroll down a little bit more and we have that featured collection, the best-selling collection. And now we'll go ahead and update the gallery. So I just like to make this look good. Again, choose a couple images from the free ones that Shopify provides. Let's see, again, I'm going to try to keep the same color pattern going. So if I can see anything that has, the color black or red inside the image, I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. Just, again, to keep that uniformity throughout the store. Fitness. Let's see. Perfect. And we'll do just one more. Let's see if we can find one. Perfect. And click save. So again, our store is starting to come together a little bit more now. Got the header, the slideshow, the best-selling featured page or featured collection, and the gallery. So now the next step is to add this multiple link blocks. So we are going to choose 2 more images and add some creative text to these buttons. So for the first one, let's go ahead and explore free images again. Let's look up weights. See how this one looks. I like that one. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and label the button work harder. And I'll put the link to one of the products. I'll choose the fitness resistance bands. Click save. And now we'll do the same thing for the next image. I already pulled in one of the let me do it right now. I took a screenshot of this massage gun. So we'll choose this one. Let me see if I can lower it, change the image up a little bit. Yeah, that looks okay. We'll stick with it. Link label, we'll do recover faster. And we'll put this link to go directly to the massage gun and click save. So the store is really starting to come together. You'll see once we click through these links, we'll land on this product page, go back to the home page. Same thing for the massage gun. Everything is starting to really come together nicely. So now let's go ahead and add the testimonials block. So I'd like to change this heading out. I don't like it to just say testimonials. Let's say something like, don't just take our word for it. Don't just take our word for it. Now later on in the video, we're going to add the Luke's app. It's a photo review app to the store, and we'll just go ahead and pull some of those quotes, and we can just copy and paste them in right here. You can change the author's name and add in the text. So now let's go ahead and we'll update the newsletter. So we'll come back to the tiles and select right here. Now we're going to again change the header up a little bit right here. I like to put something like want discounts, promotions, new products, and sales directly to your inbox. Perfect. And we'll build in a email marketing flow and continuously send our customers announcements and discount codes to get them to repurchase. So now we're going to edit the footer, and we're going to get rid of this follow us tab, and we're going to replace it with another newsletter. So let's go ahead and switch up these colors a little bit. Perfect. Be in the know, promotions, newsletters, new products, sales directly to your inbox. Perfect. That looks good to go. So now I'm going through and updating the logo on the checkout page because there is a white background and you can't see the logo when a customer goes to checkout. So I'm just going to switch out the text to black so that the customer can see our brand throughout their entire buying process. So let's take a moment now to preview your new fitness store. So I think it's coming together really well. We're not quite done yet. We're about to go add some apps to our shop, but overall I think it looks really good. So now let's come back over to our dashboard and we'll go to apps, and we're going to start adding a couple apps that are really going to take this store to the next level. So now we're going to visit the Shopify App Store again. And the first app that we are going to download is the Currency Converter Plus. Now, if you've watched my Facebook ads video on YouTube, you know that I'd like to target outside of the US. So I'm also targeting countries in Europe, Australia, and Canada. So having a currency converter on your store really helps increase conversions to those other countries outside of the United States. So once the currency converter is installed, all the default settings are perfect. You don't really need to change anything. You can go through it and look at some of the settings if you'd like to switch anything up. But I think that once it's installed, the default settings are perfect. So it tracks people's IP addresses and it can tell which country that they're from. So it will automatically put their put the currency into the currency of their country. So I think it's a really cool app, definitely boosts conversions. So now we're going to come back into the Shopify App Store. And the next app that we are going to add is is Luke's. Luke's is a photo review app. This is what we're going to use to add reviews from AliExpress to all of our products. And the process is super simple. I'll go through one. I created a full video on Luke's already. It's on the channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. But I'll just show you really quickly how to set it up. We'll skip all this stuff. Finish. So import reviews. You're going to take this button and you're going to drag it to your bookmarks bar. Now you're going to come over to AliExpress. And let's go to one of the products that we have on the store. So let's do the fitness resistance bands. So right here. So now all we are going to do is click the button, pick our store, pick the product, fitness resistance bands. So with the free version, you're only allowed to do 20 reviews. With the paid version, you can do 100. But when you're on the free trial, you can do up to 100 reviews at a time. I like to do 4 stars and up. Countries, I leave it at all countries, but I always translate it to English. And then I usually only like to add reviews with photos. Unless a product doesn't have a lot of reviews already, then it's okay to add some without. So then I just like to go through and I like to be sure that the pictures look good, the text looks good, and I'll just go ahead and start adding a bunch of these to the store until I get about 50 reviews for each product. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the store. Let's hit refresh. And when we come over to the store, we can see here now that the fitness resistance bands have 5 reviews. And when we scroll down to the product page, they'll all appear right here. So Luke's is a really good app for building social proof, and it really helps to increase the conversion rate on your store. So now the next app that we are going to add is called Upsell Kit. And this is used to increase the average order value on your store. So we're trying to get people to purchase more products at checkout. Upsell Kit is probably the cheapest app you can do this with. I'm not sure if there's, I know that there's a lot of others out there, but this one, it's really hard to beat the price. So we're going to go to Upsells, click to enable. We're going to create an offer. You may also you can switch the text up however you like here. Select the trigger item. So when somebody goes to buy the resistance bands, we're going to offer them an upsell for the massage gun at checkout with a discount code. So we'll put the discount at 20% off. So this is what it will look like. You may also like the Phoenix massage gun, 20% off. We'll enable it and create the offer. Yes, enable. So the offer should be good to go. Let's go back over here. We'll hit the refresh button. Go over to our store. So when we go to fitness resistance bands and we add to cart, let's see. Let's go through this one more time. Go to the store, go to fitness resistance bands and add it to our cart. There it is. So it pops up right beneath the product that they chose with the offer. So the whole goal is to increase the average order value. So instead of have someone purchase just a $49 product, we'll give them a discount on one of our higher end products, or really any product that's related to this one that the customer can use and benefit from. So Upsell Kit is a great app. The return on investment, it's an $8 a month app. It's through the roof. Highly recommend you add it to really start growing your revenue each month. And now the last app that we are going to add is Clavio. Clavio is an email marketing app. And we basically just use it for the abandoned cart flows. So install app. So once you fill out your information and you integrate Clavio to your Shopify store, we are going to get started with the abandoned cart flow. So hit get started. So what Clavio is going to do with this abandoned cart series is send follow-up emails to customers who added a product to their shopping cart but decided not to purchase. The default campaign is set up really nicely, so we don't need to really make too many edits. The only things I'm going to do on this video are change out the time that the emails will be sent. So the first one I'm going to send out 15 minutes after the customer abandoned their cart. And the second one I am going to do 4 hours after they abandon their cart. And so what's going to happen is after 15 minutes, a customer is going to receive this email. And inside of the email, there's going to be a picture of the products that they left behind and a link. And once the customer opens up that link, they'll be taken right back to their shopping cart with all the items that they left behind. And you can do really cool things with Clavio. You can add discount codes and do other things to incentivize customers to buy. So now that this is set up, we'll go save and exit. And actually, before we get out of here, we need to activate the campaign. So we'll come back over here. And for each email, you're just going to turn them live. So the first one's live and the second one's live. Save and exit. And now you see the green dot, it's good to go. So again, let's just go through these apps and look at how much they cost. So the Currency Converter Plus has a 30-day free trial and it costs $10 per month. Clavio is free up to your first 250 customers. Luke's has a 14-day free trial and then it's $10 a month. Oberlo is free, and Upsell Kit has a 30-day free trial and then it's $8 per month after. If you sign up for the Shopify Basic plan, you'll have a 14-day free trial and then it'll be $29 per month. So your total store costs will be $57 per month. The next thing that you're going to want to do before you begin running ads to your store and really making it go live is choose a domain. So you'll just come over here to domain. You can either connect an existing domain. You could purchase one off a website like GoDaddy and just connect it. That process is fairly simple. You can watch a bunch of videos on YouTube or wherever to figure out how to do that. But I like to just buy the domain directly from Shopify. I believe it's $14 per domain. So I think we named this YT Fitness. So let's just see if that's available. YT Fitness. So it's not available. We would have to go with a different name, but this is where you would go ahead and purchase your domain, and you should do that before the store goes live and before you start running ads. So let's go through the store one more time. I love the way that this thing is set up. I love the color scheme with the venture theme. Let's go check out the best-selling collection again with the winning products. And remember, if you want to get access to all these product descriptions, all you'll need to do is go to the description beneath this video and click on the link to the Google Doc. And then all you'll need to do is copy and paste these descriptions right into your Shopify store. Congratulations on making it through to the end of this video. I hope I made things very simple to follow along. Now, if you want a little bit of extra training, I want to give you access to my 100% free Shopify dropshipping course. The link will be in the description beneath this video. And inside the course, there's access to some really cool things like access to the US suppliers who I use in a winning product sheet and a couple more really cool exclusive bonuses. So if you want access to this 100% free course, the link will be in the description beneath this video. And again, if you guys have questions at any time, please feel free to reach out to me or comment down below. All right, thanks guys.